Real quick before we get started, click the subscribe button to stay updated with all of the tutorials we are adding to this channel. So what I'm going to do next is show you how to add a watermark into Lightroom. Now what you're going to do with this watermark after you add it, whenever you export photos, you might want to apply this watermark on export, and we're gonna build it in here so you have the option to do that whenever you export it. So we're going to come up to Lightroom. You're going to click on that and you're going to go to edit watermarks. Okay, so this is a sample test that I'm showing you. I'm going to put sample test. So this is just text. We're going to go over graphics in another tutorial. So we wrote sample test, and then what we can also do is change the opacity of that. How strong do we want that text to be? Do we want it to be real light or do we want it to be strong? I'm sorry, I'm under the shadow. So we'll start with shadow. You can change the opacity of the shadow, your offset, you can do radius and angle, just different effects that you can do to your watermark. And now next we have the option to change the opacity of the watermark. Some people just like to do a light watermark, where some of you might like to do a full opacity watermark. Then we can also change the positioning. We can do fit or fill. And you can change the proportion of the watermark as well, how big or small you want that. And then you can also change where you want the watermark to be in the photo. You can make it right in the middle, at the top. That's kind of a personal decision. Right now I'm just going to put it right in the middle. And we're going to hit save. I called this sample test for the video. I'm just going to write sample test again, and then you're going to actually hit create, and that is going to save the watermark inside of Lightroom. And that is how you add a watermark.